Alright, so today what we're going to talk about is simply this. How can I interpret a line graph? Alright, so this is our IXL that we got to work on this week. So this is CC.4, so everybody should have your Chromebooks open, and you should be in CC.4 so we can learn how to do this. Alright, so the very basis of what we're doing is we're interpreting a graph. A graph has two different lines that makes it up. And what are those two different lines? Anybody? Raise your hand. Somebody.
X-axis.
Raise your hand. We got a what?
X-axis and a Y-axis.
An X-axis and a Y-axis, okay? So if you look at our example up here, the first thing you want to do with line graphs is read the title. The title will tell you a lot, okay? So what's our title up here? Somebody read it for me. Go ahead, Jordan.
It is,
Give it a little minute.
average monthly rainfall in Hawaii,
Hilo,
Hilo,
Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Okay, so we're talking about rainfall here, alright? So if we look at our X-axis, what do we have down here on our X-axis? What is this labeled as? Our month, okay? What is our Y-axis labeled as?
The rainfall in inches.
Alright, rainfall in inches, good. So it's important to remember our unit of measurement, okay? So this time we're measuring our rainfall in inches, okay? So if we look at our graph, we have February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October, alright? And then our question says, what does it say, Blade? Read it for me if you will.
In which month is the average rainfall 5 inches?
Alright, good. So we're looking for the average rainfall being 5 inches, okay? So if we look at our left side over here where we got rainfall, our increments go up in fives, okay? So we got 5 inches here, 10 inches here, 15 here, and 20 here, alright? So what are we looking for? How many inches? 5. Okay? So we start out by looking over here, and let's just simply put, right here on our 5, let's draw a line straight across. Alright, so if we draw a line straight across at 5, do we have a point that touches that line?
Yes.
Okay, what point was that?
The
The month of what?
June.
June. Okay, so that's simply put, that's our answer. That's Melissa, we put June for you. Thank you. Alright, good. That's it. That's what we had to do right there for that one. Alright, so now we got another example right here where we can start out. We got to, what's our first step? What's our first step, Jordan?
Draw, you gotta circle your,
Go back, think. Very, very first step. What did you read just a second ago?
Oh, you gotta read the, top.
Underlined
You gotta read the top
dang,
line.
I forgot.
You got to read what E? What did Jordan start out doing? What did he read to start out with? The what, Blade? The title. Good. So we got to read our title, alright? So, Blade, what's our title say?
Ice cream cones
Alright, good. So we got, what are our two axes? What are they, Jordan?
and X and Y.
X and Y, alright? Zoe, can you read me my X and Y axis? Can you see those?
No, wrong.
You can't see them?
No.
Alright, so, Brianna, can you see them for me?
See what?
The X, what's our X axis? What is it labeled as?
The day.
Okay. What's our X axis? What's the label?
Oh,
Yeah, the days. Alright, so our title says the ice cream cone sales. So we're looking at days. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay? So we're looking at the days of the week, and we're seeing which day of the week had the best, either the greatest number of sales, the average number of sales, or the lowest number. Alright, depending on what our question asks. Jordan, what does our question say right here? Read it for me, please.
How many ice cream cones were sold on Thursday?
On Thursday. Okay, so we're looking for Thursday, and we're looking for how many were sold. Okay, what does our y-axis say? It's kind of hard to see. It says, I'll read it for you. It says number sold. Okay, so what day do we have to go to figure this out?
Tuesday.
All right. So this time, because we're looking for a specific day, the easiest thing to do would be go to that specific day and draw a line going up and down.
80
Okay.
were sold.
All right. So on our up and down line right here on Thursday, what number do we reach?
80.
80. All right. So you can see 80 right here. All right. So then our number of ice cream sold were 80 that day. Bam. That's it. Okay, guys. So who thinks that they can help me interpret this graph right here?
Me?
All right, Jordan. Come on.
Wait, this might be the subtractive one though.
No, you're good. We got it. All right. So what's our first step, Jordan?
We gotta read.
Come over here. Step right here.
I don't wanna look at it.
It's fine. All right. So what does our title say?
It's salad dressings.
Good. Salad dressings. All right. So a restaurant in Seaside monitors which salad dressings its customers order. All right. So the title of our graph is salad dressings. Okay. So what does our x-axis say, Jordan?
Month.
All right, what does our y-axis say?
Serving and dressing.
Okay, and what is our question asking?
How many salads with Italian dressings were served during May?
Okay, so what month are we looking for?
May.
Okay, and now this one's a little bit different, okay, because we have two different lines on this one, all right? So we have a blue and we have a green line, all right?
Green line.
So-
to add them.
Hold on, me. All right, so let's look at our green and our blue. What does our blue say? Jordan, what's our blue line represent?
It represents the blue cheese dressing.
Okay, what does our green line represent?
Italian dressing.
Okay, so we got two different dressings. We got blue cheese and we got Italian. Anybody like blue cheese?
No.
Anybody likes to dip their wings in blue cheese or anything like that? Ranch, all right, so your waiter comes to the table and says, all right, you want ranch or blue cheese? Nobody gets blue cheese? All right, that's fine. Hey, we're just asking, all right? Who's ever had Italian dressing? Anybody? All right, good. Italian dressing is pretty good. I don't like blue cheese too much either. It's a little too strong. All right, so we're going to the month of May. All right, Jordan, so what's our step? What are we going to do? We're going to go to the month of May, and what kind of line are we going to draw? Vertical or horizontal? Up and down or left and right?
Up and down.
Good, so there you go. Go all the way up,
All the way up?
all the way up.
All the way to the top.
All right, there we go. And our question says, how many salads with Italian dressing were served during May? So which color line are we looking for?
Green.
Green, all right? So our green line touches on May right there on our point at what number?
30.
30. Good.
30.
So 30 should be our answer. We click on it, submit, bam, that's it.